Hello guys, good evening or good morning. It depends when you are watching us in the morning or in the evening. You are welcome anytime in our channel TechZone. Leute von Deutschland herzlich willkommen, for Italian benvenuti, for French enchanté, for Spanish hola. Today we're gonna speak about Pi network. It's profit. There are a profit from Pi network or no? As you know, Pi network since launching in OKX, it's start from half cent, half dollar until $2.70 and start to crash down. So until it reach 35 cent. So there is no profit in the future anymore. If anybody speak about in 2030 it will have profit, he is a liar, because there are a top and bottom for each trend, and this trend it's going down and more down. There are a second time they will release coin for people, they make KYC, and it will be too much buy in the market. So don't invest in Pi network. Second thing, if you are still waiting for KYC, just delete the app, because if you need to verify your phone number, you will found in server Israel, and you have to take care very much about your information when you work or deal with these people, because they are genocide people and killer. They will use your information anytime, anywhere. There is no trust right now in Pi network. Also, there is no profit at all. The percent of mining start to be decreasing more and more. You need 5 days to make one coin of Pi network. But there are more information that too much people are delete Pi network application, and this argument I can't find answer for it. Too much people delete Pi network application, and the percent of mining not increasing, still decreasing. Why? I don't know. And also, if you know anyone waiting for KYC, he waiting since a long time. When he take his coin, I don't know. There is no answer. And they speak about Pi domain and too much blah 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 bullshit about Pi domain, and it's nothing will change the situation of Pi network from 35 to $1, even in 5 years more. So my advice to you, to delete the app and forget about Pi and say your safety first, and start to look for another application for mining. I suggest or support for you Pi network. You can mining if you have time, feel free. You can find the video in our channel. For now, I can say to you goodbye, and if you have any question, just ask us in our Telegram group, and also please don't forget to make like, share and subscribe, and goodbye.